India's developing economy has seen many changes in the last couple of years. With an increasing population and rising disposable incomes, India is continuously emerging as a market for various industries. One of these is the home decor industry that has witnessed unprecedented growth over the last few years. It's a sector that has seen great domestic as well as international demand. This rising consumption was something Hiten Dalal had foreseen 3 decades ago. A Mumbai-based entrepreneur who started his journey as a home furnishings and textile exporter, he stepped into the untapped domestic market with his own company, Bianca, in 2009.
We have started our business 30 years back as an exporter of a home decor and home textile. And since last 2 years, we have entered into the domestic and retail market. We have seen a lot of potentiality into the local market, and we started the company called Bianca, and in which we are dealing into the home decor and accessories.
The company produces a wide range of kitchen, table, bath and bed linen, cutlery, photo frames and other home items. Their unique designs and bright colors enhance the beauty of homes and breathe life into them. The company takes care of every minor detail of each product in terms of color, design, creativity and durability. It also understands the importance of latest trends, fashion and packaging, which are important factors to increase sales in today's market.
We mainly produce the kitchen linen, table linen, bath linen and bed linen, and the main products are tabletop products that we mainly use on a home for decorating the tables, and our soft line contains the tablecloth, mat, napkins and all, while hard goods contain the cutlery, photo frames and trivet and all that things.
Bianca has a state-of-the-art factory spread over 18,000 square feet at Mumbai. It has an in-house staff of 54 skilled and trained workers and a team of designers that is consistently churning out latest trendy designs for its clients. The company has a presence in almost all the big and small stores across India like Shoppers Stop, Home Store, At Home, etc.
We are basically at present supplying to the large format stores, LFS, like a Shoppers Stop, Home Store, At Home. Secondly, in MBOs, we are mainly supplying to the Amarsons, Premsons, Akbar Ali, Bombay Store and Treasuries. And that way we are at present spreaded all over the India by way of a dealer and distributor network.
Bianca is a family-owned business where Hiten takes care of management and production is taken care of by his son Devang Dalal, a chartered accountant by qualification who believes in new ideas and spends time understanding the needs of the younger generation. In order to retain its clients and constantly win new ones in today's competitive market, the company comes up with brand new designs every 4 months.
Currently I look after productions and operations mainly, and I have gotten fresh ideas, new outlooks, new perspective to the business by getting younger generation's opinion, and got technology and streamlining our internal systems pretty effectively.
The company also has its own retail outlet in the heart of Mumbai where it makes its wide range of products available to customers. Bianca enjoys the benefit of its past export experiences and makes good quality international designs available to the Indian market. Needless to say, this has won the company appreciation from its clients across the country.
Bianca is famous for their unique design, trendy and fashionable colors. We come up every 4 months with a new design and colors. Our major products we have diverted from export line to the domestic market. Those kind of things are new at present in a local market, particularly then you can say the napkin ring, the trivet and the coasters are earlier only available for exports, but now it is available in India. So that is our main strength.
The urban home furnishings market is expected to be worth over 20,000 crore rupees by 2012. The ever-increasing consumer demand to make homes look beautiful and trendy has created many opportunities for Indian home decor manufacturers not just domestically but in the global arena too.